Hello students, in our earlier video we have discussed about icons and wallpapers. These small pictures that you can see on the monitor are called icons, and the picture behind this at the background, the picture of this waterfall, these pictures are called wallpaper. The picture at the background of a desktop is called wallpaper. And what is desktop? The first page that we get after turning on the device is called wallpaper. Now we have also learned that it is easier and it looks neat when there are minimum number of icons kept on the desktop pages. We keep icons of files and folders that we use frequently. Icons should be kept arranged, organized on the desktop. Today I will show you how you can arrange the icons. So first I will tell that the first thing you have to do after turning on the device is refresh it. So how to refresh, that also I will show you. Right click on the mouse, then drag the pointer to this refresh. You can see the third one is written refresh, and then left click, the computer gets refreshed this way. The use of the mouse action, the use of right button and left button, I will show you in some other video. So in today's video I will show you that how you can change the position of these icons. Now see, when you when you right click on this mouse, you can see the first option is given view. Beside this view, one side arrow is there, one right arrow is there, and some options given: large icons, medium icons, small icons, auto arrange icons, align icons to grid, show desktop icons, and show desktop gadgets. Now to arrange the icons, what you have to do is, on my computer you can see a tick mark is given beside this auto arrange. This is tick, means I have allowed the computer to arrange it automatically. Now if I want to do it manually, if I want to do it according to my choice, I will have to remove this tick mark. On clicking this once, this tick mark is getting removed. Now you can see the tick mark is not given here. So this means I have the permission to arrange it manually according to my choice. Now I will show you how to do this. First you have to select the icon that you want to shift, that position of which icon you want to shift. What is selecting is, take the pointer to that icon. You can see that this part is highlighted. A sky blue rectangle is seen around it. So this is called highlighting of the icon. The icon that you want to remove, you have to highlight it. You have to take the pointer to the icon, then left click the mouse and drag it. Drag it means move the mouse to the position where you want to set it. Say I want to set it in this position. I will release the left button over here. The position of the icon has changed. Say this one, I want to drag it to this position. What I will do is, first I will take the pointer to this. It got highlighted. Left click and then drag it. Then I will release the mouse button. It got changed. The position is changed. So this is how you can change the position manually. Now here you can see the position of all the icons are scattered. These three icons are out of order. They are not arranged in this column. So if I want to arrange them according to the way that was arranged earlier, I can select this auto arrange also. This auto arrange also I can select, or I can sort them by name or size. Let me show you by auto arrange. I'll click on this auto arrange. The icons went back to their position. So this is how much that was done in today's class. I could not continue today's class for longer because of lack of power in my phone. So we will learn something new in our next class. Till then, students, take care, stay healthy, goodbye.